This AI tool lets you generate images without typing a word for free, and the results are actually unbelievable. It's called Google Whisk, and unlike every other AI art tool, you don't need to write a detailed prompt. Just drag in a few images, give it some visual clues, and Whisk takes care of the rest. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Whisk step by step to create stunning, high-quality images. To get started, head over to labs.google/whisk in the description below and click Try Google Whisk. You'll need to sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see this super clean interface, and it's built around three main parts: subject, scene, and style. The subject is your main focus. This could be a character, an animal, a logo, anything you want the image to center on. The scene is the background around that subject. It can be something detailed, or you can leave it completely blank, which is great if you're making stickers or cutouts. And the style is all about how everything looks. Cartoon, flat design, realistic, 3D. You get to choose the vibe. Now, here's the cool part. You can also enter text prompts for each of these: subject, scene, and style, to give Whisk even more direction and get results that are super specific to what you're going for. Alright, let's build a sticker, something fun and simple. We'll start with the subject. Click on the Subject tab and upload your image. For this one, I'm going with a smiling man character, something clean, friendly, and easy to recognize. Once it's uploaded, head over to the Templates section and click on the Sticker template to generate a sticker-style image. Now for the scene. Since this is a sticker, I want the background to be simple or completely transparent. You can leave it blank or add a short prompt like no background or transparent if you want to guide the result a bit more. But yeah, keep it clean so the subject stands out. And finally, for style, you can either upload a reference image if you have one, or just click the three dots to check out some of the built-in suggestions. I usually go with something like a flat design, line art, or cartoon. These styles make the sticker visually appealing, bold, and easy to scale. Once that's done, just hit Generate. Google Whisk will process your visual and text prompts to create the sticker image. It usually takes just a few seconds, and once it's ready, you'll see your custom sticker right there on the screen. If you want to tweak anything, you can easily refine the output or adjust the small details to get even better quality. For example, let's type something simple, like character eating a burger. Give it a second. And there you go. Whisk updates the image, and now the character is actually holding a burger. The style and layout stay the same. It just adds that little detail like magic. Let me try another one. This time I'll type character in a red shirt, and boom, the outfit updates instantly. You can also see the prompt and edit details directly there. So let's say the background came out yellow, but you want it white. You can just change yellow background to white background. Hit generate again, and boom. It updates exactly how you want it. Super handy when you want to fine-tune those little details without starting over. Once you're happy with the result, just hit download. Whisk can do way more than just stickers. One of my favorite ways to use it is for product mockups. Whether it's a t-shirt design, a mug, or even a phone case, you can create high-quality visuals in just a few steps. Let me show you how to do it. Alright, back on the main Whisk screen, we'll start by setting up the subject. Since that's the main focus of the image, I'm just uploading a plain white t-shirt. That tells Whisk exactly what to center the image around. Next, we move to the Scene tab. This is where we add a bit of context around the shirt. I'll keep it clean and simple. For example, I'm using a simple retro-style Stay Wild text graphic. Bold, clean, and perfect for a casual tee. Now, for style, I wanted something that feels outdoorsy, maybe like a natural or street-style setting. So I picked a vibe that looks like it's shot in a park or open space. Just helps the final image feel more like a real lifestyle photo. Once everything's set, just hit generate. Give it a few seconds, and there it is. You've got a t-shirt mock-up with your design printed right on it. Super clean. Alright, this looks good, but I want to tweak the design a little. I'm thinking the neckline should be a V instead of a round one. So I'll just go to the Edit Details section, type in something like V-neck t-shirt, and boom, look at that. It updates the image with a V neckline, just like that. But I'm still not fully satisfied. The t-shirt looks a bit too fitted for my taste. I want more of a relaxed, casual vibe. So I'll type oversized t-shirt. And again, in just a few seconds, Whisk regenerates the mockup to match. So yeah, you can pretty much fine-tune anything here. Neckline, fit, color, style, without starting from scratch. It's honestly such a smooth process. Once you get the hang of it, you can also create social media graphics, event posters, and more, just by combining the right subject, scene, and style. Basically, if it's visual, Whisk can probably help you make it without paying a single dollar. So yeah, if you want to try Google Whisk for yourself, I've dropped the link for you in the description below. And for another helpful AI tutorial, watch this video next.